Alright guys, so I am currently walking over a bridge to get to what I like to call Pawpaw Island. Now the pawpaw is a native fruit to the eastern United States and all the way up to Canada. It is related to the soursop, and it is one of my favorite fruits. Actually, it is my favorite fruit. I think it tastes somewhat like a pineapple, mango, banana, and a little bit of peach. It's got a really soft flesh, and it's one of my all-time favorite fruits, and it's really amazing because it can be grown and be found here in the United States and not just down in the South. It's a tropical fruit for the northerners like me. So I am walking over here. I will see you guys when I get to where the trees are. Okay, so we have made it to the island. Now there's a couple things before we go hunting for these pawpaws that you should know in advance. First, I would do a quick Google search to find out if they are even native to your area. If you are on the eastern United States, all the way up to Canada, like I said, and you have water nearby, there's a good chance that you will have a pawpaw. Now, I have found the best pawpaws by moving water and making sure they get good sunlight. Now, if you move into the woods, deeper into the woods where you have less sunlight, you will still find pawpaw, but I find the fruit is not as big and it takes longer to develop. Next, you'll have to know what time to go looking for pawpaws. They ripen somewhere between late August all the way through October. In my area here in Richmond, Virginia, they started ripening this year, which depends on years, but this year they started ripening the middle to late September, and it is late September right now. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and look for some pawpaws. Now, when you are identifying a pawpaw tree, it is pretty easy. This is a pawpaw here. It does not have fruit, but you can tell it has massive leaves. It's a very tropical looking plant in a non-tropical area. So that is the first thing that you should do. Next, you're gonna wanna look down to see if there is any ripe pawpaws that have fallen. That will be a good estimate as to if the whole pawpaw climate is ready to be harvested. And then you'll wanna look up to see if there's any pawpaws. Now, in this specific tree, we do not have anything, but we will keep looking. Okay, now, again, the first thing you're gonna do is look down once you've noticed pawpaw trees. And if we look really close, we've got an itsy bitsy pawpaw. Now, these little pawpaws and the ones that have fallen are perfectly fine to eat as long as you catch them pretty soon after they've fallen and they do not have any bug holes. This one is perfectly fine. And again, once you find one on the ground, it always pays to look up because you will normally find some up, and there we go. There is some good looking pawpaws right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and find my way up that tree and pull those down here so you can see them. All right, I went ahead and grabbed these pawpaws. As you can tell, these are two really nice looking specimens. Now, you will know if they are ready to be eaten if you can press them nicely, and as you can tell, these ones are not ready to be ripe or eaten yet. They're not fully ripe, but do not let that stop you from grabbing some and taking them home and letting them ripen. The key is that once they're starting to fall on the ground, they are ready to be harvested. Now, I like to take these and I will either set them out on my counter for a few days to ripen, or if I get a lot and I don't want them all to ripen at the same time, you can go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for up to 2.5 weeks and then pull them out periodically and let them ripen, just like I will with these guys. Now, I'm gonna keep looking for some more ripened ones so I can open them up and show you guys what the flesh looks like on the inside. Now, one thing you can also do if you see there is ripe pawpaws on the ground and some up in the tree is to go ahead and give it a great shake, and the ripe pawpaws are gonna fall right down. Let's give it a try. Wow. All right, guys, I just got the nicest pawpaw that I've had all year. This thing is perfectly ripe. Now, this is gonna be one to open up and show you guys just how it looks. Now, I like to go ahead and just cut it right down the middle, and there should be a nice yellow to deep orange color. And that is just beautiful. Now, how you can eat this is, my preferred way is to get a spoon and just spoon out from the flesh. If you're out here in the woods like I am, you can go ahead and just take a piece. And there are seeds. Now, it's tough to go through and try to de-seed it, you know, What I like to do is go in, eat the seed, there's flesh around it, and then just spit it out. You're not gonna wanna eat the seed. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. There is a reason this is my favorite fruit, and that is exactly because it tastes so much like a mango, pineapple, peach, and banana. The pawpaw is North America's native fruit. I hope this video helps you guys. If it did, go on and look for some pawpaw because you are missing out if you're not. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. I'm going to continue eating these pawpaws until the season is over. And make sure if you guys like this video and you go out and look for some pawpaws, and if you find some, let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you want to see some of my plant-based videos, more of my shenanigans out in the woods, go ahead and check me out on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel, or on YouTube at Plant-Based Gabriel, and as always on my website at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel here with North America's favorite fruit, the pawpaw, hoping I will see you guys very, very soon.